Go.
ओके नमस्कार सभी को। और मेरे साथ है मिस्टर ऐश मुफारे, आपके लविंग, आपके सीईओ, जिनको कि आप सारे 3-4 साल से देखते आ रहे हैं, मेरे साथ हैं, आपके लिए स्पेशल मैसेज देने वाले हैं। ओके ऐश।
Hello India, Namaskar. I hope you're having a great evening. It's a historical day for us, not only because we launched Onpassive in Dubai, but also it's the first time I meet Gursminder in person. He's real, okay? I'm so thankful, and I'm thanking you and congratulating you for listening to this man. He's wise, he's not misleading you, he's taking you to the top with it. Thank you for that. We're gonna come to you. Last time he snuck there without me, but I'm gonna take him with me next time, all right? We're gonna do it together. I'll see you at the top. Great job, India. We started all blessed there. We're building technologies there. We're gonna lift up humanity, all right? See you at the very top.
Thank you,
God
Ash.
bless
Thank
you.
you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.